another video. Guys, let's make it quick, delicious soup. Which pot will I use? Let's use this. First of all, we are adding, I'm going to be adding cow's skin, followed by my onions. I'm going to be adding the chicken later, followed by my Maggi cube, and we have all the ingredients, all the spices. After that, I'm going to be adding my sauce. Add my water inside to boil. And the next thing, I'm going to be covering it, filling the meat for at least 40 to 45 minutes. This is the bigger pot I have, so I'm going to be adding my tomatoes to boil inside. So I'm using this pot to boil all the tomatoes and the pepper. We are adding our pepper inside. Blend it and cover this process. Guys, I already had water inside. I forgot to say that is why I do it today. So I had my water already inside, so I'm going to leave it to boil before I blend it. Okay guys, I'm about to add my chicken. I'm going to leave this chicken for 10 minutes to boil before we remove it. I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes. Here is our bell pepper and tomatoes. It's already boiled. I'm going to be blending it off camera now. Okay, we have already boiled our meat. Now it's time for us to fry the stew. And first thing, I'm going to be frying the chicken just a little bit, not so much fry. First thing is to add my sauce, and I'm going to be too much of fry is not so good, so I'm going to just fry it for at least 1 minute. The chicken is going to be fried for 1 minute. Guys, let me remove, I'm going to be removing my fried chicken now. The first thing after chicken is onions. So let's add our tomatoes. After this, I'm going to be adding my burger. And I'm going to be adding the meat directly because the tomatoes have already boiled before. So I'm not going to be cooking meat for so long. So for this, I'm going to be adding everything in the next 10 minutes. The tomato soup is ready. Our Maggi cube. I'm going to be adding one because we just want to boil. Guys, I'm adding everything directly so that in the next 10 minutes my stew is ready. It's already boiled before, so no need of cooking it so long. And that is why I'm adding everything at once. So you have to cover it and let it cook. I'm adding my boiling water mix. So it's like this pot is too small. So, but yes, every time I use pot, at the end of the day I gotta change it. Let's see if I will change this pot or not. Let's cover it and let it cook. Guys, I have to change the pot because this one is too small for this. So for that, I'm going to be changing it. It's like this every time I use small pot. This one is not even small pot, guys. It's always come out that later I'm going to be changing the pot. Okay, now we are going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so let's cover it. Let's check on our stew. Stew is ready. This one will be going for white rice. Thank you for joining me for today's video. See you in my next video. I think I come your way next time.